Similar to the way creating hyperlinks need to be specifically designed for screen readers, visually impaired students also need accessibility interventions when it comes to images. So what we're going to do to create an accessible image is first place the image in the course files, and then you come here to this image logo and select course images. From here, it will open up and show you all the pictures that you have in your course. Select the one that you want. And now the image is embedded in the page, but it is not accessible for a visually impaired student, because if they were to use a screen reader, we can see what the screen reader will actually tell them this image is of by selecting image options. This will pull out a tray from the side, and right here we can see the way I save the picture, which is a description hills, and then it's a PNG file. This will read for a screen reader hills.png, and so in order to remove that, we want to make alt text, which is what this description that the screen reader will read, as clear and exhaustive as possible, so that way visually impaired students get the same experience as sighted students. So when looking at this picture, I would say this is something along the lines of sun setting behind rolling hills and amber grass. Now, when we save it, that will be the way the screen reader will read this to a visually impaired student. So if you're using things like graphs, you'll want to make sure that you're including enough description in the alt text, so that way a student who can't see that graph can understand all the details that they would need in order to complete either the assignment or just completely understand what they're reading as they're moving through the modules.